Hello everyone, my name is Arijit Pal. Welcome to our channel Way to Learn. I have come up with a series of videos on microprocessor. My first video was on control system. If you have not watched it yet, then give it a try. You can find the link in the description box. This is the first part introduction of microprocessor and its evolution. I will try to cover the entire microprocessor in this series and I hope it will be easy to understand. So let's start. The microprocessor is one of the most important components of a digital computer. It acts as a brain of a computer system. Before going into the detailed description of a microprocessor, let us have the basic knowledge of a digital computer. Computers are of two types, digital computers and analog computers. A digital computer makes processing of numbers. An analog computer processes analog signals. An analog signal is a continuous quantity. Nowadays, computers which are commonly used are digital computers. Analog computers have specific applications. They are used for some specific scientific and engineering purpose. A digital computer is a programmable machine. Its main components are CPU, memory, input device and output device as shown in this figure. The CPU executes instructions. The input device is used to feed programs and data to the computer. The memory is a storage device. It stores programs, data and results. The output device displays or prints programs, data, and results according to the instruction given to the computer. A central processing unit built on a single IC is called microprocessor. So the microprocessor is a central processing unit of a computer. It is the heart of the computer. This series describes Intel 8085 as it is one of the most popular 8-bit microprocessors. Before the description, I will tell you about the evolution of microprocessor. The first microprocessor was Intel 4004. It was a 4-bit PMOS microprocessor was introduced in the year 1971 by Intel Corporation. After this, a 4-bit microprocessor Intel 4040, an improved version of Intel 4004, was developed. Many other companies also develop 4-bit microprocessors. Examples are Rockwell International's PPS4, Toshiba's T3472, etc. 4-bit microcontrollers and 4-bit microprocessor-based systems were used in industrial control applications, calculators, instrumentations, commercial appliances, video games, toys, etc. In 1972, Intel introduced the first 8-bit microprocessor, that is Intel 8008, which also uses PMOS technology. The microprocessors using PMOS technology were slow and not compatible with TTL logic. In 1973, Intel introduced a more powerful and faster 8-bit NMOS processors, that is Intel 8080. The microprocessors using NMOS process technology are faster and compatible with TTL logic. The NMOS technology also provides higher density as compared to the PMOS technology. The drawback of the 8080 was that it needed 3 power supplies. In 1975, Intel developed an improved 8-bit NMOS processor, that is Intel 8085, which uses only one 5-volt supply. It is an improved version of Intel 8080. It is still used in the laboratory for students' training. 8-bit microprocessors of other companies are Xeron's Z80 and Z800, National Semiconductors NSC 800, Motorola's MC6800 and MC6809, etc. 8-bit microprocessors and 8-bit microcontrollers are widely used in instrumentations, industrial control applications, etc. Some powerful 8-bit microprocessors were used in small general-purpose computers. Generally, the memory addressing capacity of 8-bit microprocessors are 64 KB. The clock frequency for the most of 8-bit microprocessor lies in the range of 1 MHz to 6 MHz. The 8-bit microprocessors use LSI technology and contain 5,000 to 10,000 transistors. In the year 1978, Intel introduced a 16-bit microprocessor, that is Intel 8086. Other 16-bit microprocessors are Intel 80186, Intel 8088, Intel 80188, Intel 80286, Xeon's Z8000, Motorola's 68000, 68010, 68012, etc. 12-bit microprocessors are also developed by Toshiba's T3190 and Intersil's IM6100, etc. In the year 1985, Intel introduced a more powerful 32-bit microprocessor, that is Intel 80386, which became very popular and was widely used in desktop computers. Other 32-bit Intel's microprocessors are Pentium Pro, Pentium MMX, Pentium 2, Pentium 2 Xeon, and so on. Motorola, IBM, and Apple have jointly developed 32-bit RISC processors, that is PowerPC 601, 603, and 604. PowerPC 740 and 750 have been developed by IBM and Motorola. Intel has also introduced 80960, a 32-bit RISC microprocessor for embedded control applications. 32-bit microprocessors contain a number of essential components of a computer besides the CPU, such as MMU, FPU, on-chip, cache memory, etc. A number of 64-bit microprocessors have also been developed. 64-bit microprocessors are Intel H.P's PA8000 series, HP's 8200 and 8500 series, Sun's SPRAC and Alta SPRAC, and so on. Intel's Titanium is a 64-bit EPIC processor. EPIC means Explicit Instructions Parallel Computing. Nowadays, multi-core processors have been developed. 2, 4, 8 or more CPUs are placed on a single chip IC. Examples of multi-core processors having 2 CPUs on a single chip are Intel Core 2 Duo 8500, Intel Core 2 Duo E6850, Intel Core 2 Extreme X6800, Core i3 231M, Intel Atom D525, and so on. Examples of multi-core processors having 4 CPUs on a single chip are Intel Core 2 Extreme QX9770, Intel Core 2 Extreme QX8650, Intel i7-965XC, and so on. I hope I have been able to clarify the basic idea of the microprocessor. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe my channel, pressing the bell icon, and share this video. Thank you.